Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into automating your digital product sales using the License Flow Shopify app. Look, if you're trying to streamline your digital storefront and actually win back your time, you are in exactly the right place. Let's get right into it, shall we?
So, let me ask you a question. Are you still spending hours just copying and pasting access codes to send to your customers one by one? Because if you're selling digital goods, whether that's software licenses, game keys, or account login credentials, you already know how quickly this tedious process becomes a massive bottleneck. It's exhausting, right?
Here's our roadmap for today's explainer. First, the digital delivery dilemma. Second, enter license flow. Third, starting your setup. Fourth, managing products and keys. And finally, perfecting the email experience.
Section 1. The Digital Delivery Dilemma. The cost of manual fulfillment.
We really need to talk about how the painful, sluggish method of manual emails is just dragging your business down. You're out there drafting emails by hand, risking typing errors with complex access codes, and suffering delayed fulfillment. Imagine an order hitting at 2 a.m. while you're fast asleep. Contrast that with modern automated delivery. We're talking instant fulfillment, perfectly formatted access codes without a single typo, and immediate customer satisfaction. It's a night and day difference.
Section 2. Enter license flow. Instant delivery for license keys and account access.
So, what's the solution? Well, License Flow is a Shopify app built specifically to seamlessly deliver those license keys, passwords, and digital codes literally the second after a purchase is made. I absolutely love this quote right from their documentation. Automate your digital product delivery faster, smarter, and without manual work. They specifically target the exact friction points that usually plague digital sellers, which means you can scale up your operations without the usual growing pains.
Now, picking the right plan is crucial, but the great thing here is that the tiers scale right alongside your business. You've got everything from a free tier all the way to a grow plan. The free plan is absolutely perfect for testing the waters, giving you up to 10 orders a month for a single product. As your store gains traction, the starter plan at $15 a month bumps you up to 300 orders and 50 products. The Pro plan at $29 handles 800 orders and 100 products. And if you are moving serious volume, that $39 Grow plan gives you unlimited orders and unlimited products. Oh, and a massive bonus here, there are absolutely zero transaction fees per order across all of these plans. That is huge for protecting your profit margins.
Section 3. Starting your setup. From installation to your digital post office. Getting this up and running is remarkably straightforward. Step 1, you just install the app directly from the Shopify App Store. Super simple. Step 2, select your preferred pricing plan. And keep in mind, you can always start a 14-day free trial or just use that free tier to test the app at your own pace. Step 3, you prep and configure your email system settings.
Let's actually zoom in on that last step for a second. You'll need to configure your SMTP. Think of this as your store's very own digital post office. You just enter your provider details, your from email, your from name, your username, and your API key. Once that's all punched in, you literally just click Test Connection to make sure everything's talking correctly and hit Save. This step is absolutely crucial because it ensures the automated delivery emails actually come from your brand's address, which really builds trust with your buyers.
Section 4. Managing products and keys. Creating and stocking your digital inventory.
Okay, the brilliant thing here, and this is a real game changer, is that when you create a new license key or access account product directly in the app, it automatically creates and syncs the stock into your Shopify store. There's absolutely no manual creation needed on the Shopify end. The app handles the cross-communication completely seamlessly. This means your inventory counts are always perfectly accurate without you having to update two different systems.
So, how do we actually stock the virtual shelves? It's a breeze. Step 1. Add your product variants with specific names, prices, and validity timeframes if you need them. Step 2. Configure your delivery rules. This is where you decide if you want to send keys one by one or in larger batches after a purchase. Step 3. You simply click New Multiple License Keys, paste your access codes in bulk right into the app, and assign them to the correct variants. And just like that, the whole shebang is done, and your digital shelves are fully stocked.
Section 5. Perfecting the email experience. Designing emails that deliver and impress.
This email is literally the final interaction a customer has with your brand for this purchase, so it really needs to shine. Using their visual drag-and-drop builder, you have complete control over the layout. You can easily tweak your store's header colors and name to perfectly match your brand identity. You can present complex accounts and passwords in clear, easy-to-read tables, so there's zero confusion for the customer.
You can even add custom support sections, like direct buttons linking to your WhatsApp. And perhaps most importantly, these email templates are optimized to follow strict provider guidelines, ensuring your messages land right in the primary inbox, completely bypassing the spam folder. But wait, before you officially launch your new automated empire, there is a golden rule. Always place a test order before going live. By running a quick test, you get to personally experience the exact buyer's journey. You're verifying that your custom email looks perfect and your codes are formatted flawlessly before a real customer ever even sees them. So with the friction of manual fulfillment entirely removed by license flow, what digital product will you automate and scale today? Whether it's the latest software, highly sought-after game keys, or exclusive access codes, you now have the exact blueprint to fulfill orders instantly, seamlessly, and without ever having to hit copy and paste again. Think about the countless hours you're going to reclaim and how you can use that time to actually grow your business instead of just managing it. Thank you for joining me for this explainer. Now go out there and automate!